The 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded to David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John M. Jumper for their groundbreaking work on protein design and structure prediction. Why was this worthy of a Nobel Prize? Imagine unlocking the secrets of life with a computer program. Welcome to AlphaFold, a revolutionary AI tool that's changing the face of biomedical research. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, responsible for virtually every task within biology. Their functions are dictated by their three-dimensional structures, which emerge from the way they fold. But predicting how a protein folds, from a simple string of amino acids into a complex three-dimensional shape, has been one of science's grand challenges. For decades, scientists have grappled with the protein folding problem. Traditional methods like X-ray crystallography and cryo-electron microscopy are effective but slow and expensive. Enter AlphaFold. Developed by DeepMind, AlphaFold is an AI program that predicts protein structures from amino acid sequences. In 2018, it shocked the scientific community by outperforming all other methods in the CASP-13 competition. CASP stands for Critical Assessment of Structure Prediction. It is a biennial competition that evaluates the performance of computational methods for predicting protein structures. Since its inception in 1994, CASP has provided a standardized way to assess how well different approaches, including computational and AI-based methods like AlphaFold, can predict the three-dimensional structures of proteins from their amino acid sequences. CASP plays a crucial role in advancing the field by highlighting progress and identifying challenges in protein structure prediction. But DeepMind didn't stop there. In 2020, they introduced AlphaFold 2, a game-changer that reached atomic-level accuracy in many cases, rivaling experimental methods. AlphaFold 2 uses advanced deep learning techniques, including attention-based neural networks, to understand the relationships between amino acids and predict how proteins fold. It's like giving the AI a sense of the protein's language. So, how is this revolutionizing biomedical research? 1. Accelerated drug discovery. By knowing protein structures, scientists can design drugs that fit perfectly into targets, much like a key into a lock. 2. Understanding diseases. Misfolded proteins can cause diseases like Alzheimer's. AlphaFold helps us understand these misfoldings. 3. Biotechnology innovations. Designing new proteins for breaking down plastics or creating biofuels becomes easier. 4. Cost and time efficiency. Reduces the need for costly experiments, freeing up resources for other critical research. In a remarkable move, DeepMind released the structures of nearly all human proteins and made AlphaFold's code open source. This democratizes access and accelerates scientific discovery worldwide. What does the future hold? With tools like AlphaFold, we're on the cusp of unprecedented advancements in medicine, biology, and technology. This allows scientists to accelerate drug discovery and represents a revolution in finding new treatments for a range of human diseases. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AlphaFold. If you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Science Curious for more exciting explorations into science and technology.